Hi and welcome to Tech Tip Friday. I'm Kurt Stahle, that plastics guy, and I'm bringing you a tech tip that you can take to the shop floor with you today. And today's tech tip revolves around an additive that we've all heard of, and that is the antioxidant, or AO. So what does this exactly do? Well, the antioxidant offers some protection to the resin that it's in against the heat history that is experienced when going through plastics processing equipment. And this doesn't matter if it's, at the original source of the polymer, the resin producer, or a compounder, a recycler, reprocessor, or, your first heat history in processing equipment for injection, extrusion, film blowing, blow molding, whatever the case. The antioxidant offers protection to the resin to get through that heat history without degrading the polymer and ruining the physical characteristics of the polymer and therefore the parts or goods that you're molding or creating in the process. So it's a rather important additive to have in the polymer, and you really won't find a polymer sold without it. It's really quite core. Now if you're in the recycling or reprocessing space, you may want to consider adding an antioxidant master batch if you're dealing with materials that have multiple heat histories, or maybe you don't even know the number of heat histories that some of these materials have had. So as the material experiences these heat histories going through the processing equipment, the antioxidant sort of gets used up. It's done its job protecting the material, and its efficacy drops with each heat history. So at some point in time, you want to add more of the antioxidant master batch to give that protection, resilience to the polymer that you're trying to produce. Makes sense, right? Well, Simple Plastics does offer an antioxidant master batch, and if you're interested, we're happy to talk to you about that, and we can work with you to determine the letdown ratio that works best for you. At the max, probably 2%. But depending on what you're reprocessing, maybe 0.5% or 1%. That might do the trick. And if you don't need a master batch, if you directly buy the chemical additive from a chemical distributor, hey, that's fine too. Work with them and their technical team to ensure that you don't add more than is really necessary. Too much does not make things better. So save the time, save the money, just put the right amount in and all will be well. So I hope that sheds a little bit of light on what the antioxidant master batch, or the actual active chemical, the antioxidant itself, can do for you, specifically, again, if you are in the recycling or reprocessing space, or if you use an awful lot of regrind in-house for the various things that you make. Contact us if you'd like more information. We're happy to help, as always. And there you have it, today's tech tip. I hope you can use that right away. It's so important. Every plastic that we process melts. It goes through a heat history. Let's do what we can to preserve that valuable inventory asset and make the most of it. There you go. Have a wonderful Friday, and as always, a great weekend, and we will be back next week with a tech tip that you can use right away. Thanks so much. Bye for now.